So you've been guiding like thousands of students so far. Tell us one of your latest interactions that you had.
So, across mentoring full time, what we do here. So there was one of my student. I like to take his name also. He's basically Mohannad Meher. So firstly, when I met him, he told me about his introduction. So he told me, "Sir, I am from a science background, and this was something that my parents wanted me to do, and I enrolled for the course, and I just wanted to have a change of field." So I told, okay, fine, that's fine. That's not an issue. You're from a science background, that's completely fine. Because he doesn't know anything about balance sheet, he's not aware about anything. So accounting was a completely new thing to him. Now, I told him, let's start with your first subject. So I suggested him to go with BT. Because what happens, even if he's not from that finance background, so BT is a subject where it's theory and he can find something easy. So would be a possibility that he would clear it, because it was my first experience getting a science student directly to me. So I suggested him to go with BT. He practiced every details, every mocks, every specimen test. And he told me, sir, I'm ready. So that time he told me, sir, I wanted to give BT, but I'm thinking to give FA also. I told, you give first one subject, then we'll go ahead with a combination or two subjects later on. So he gave the examination. And I was really fingers crossed, let's see what his result is. And he told me, sir, I passed, and just a photo. He was sending a photo of that, what do you call the computer that time. So he sent that photo and he told me, sir, I got cleared. So I was like, oh wow. And I was like, yes, that's what it is.
So that was just one student who went from knowing nothing to everything about finance. And guess what? We've helped thousands of students find their dream jobs and upskill in their careers. If you want to know more such stories, then make sure to follow Zell Education now.